नमस्कार, दिस इज अभिषेक सेनगुप्ता फ्रॉम टेल्स एंड टॉक्स पॉडकास्ट। दोस्तों, जो हमारे आज के गेस्ट हैं, दिस जेंटलमैन इज अ डायनामिक यंग प्रोफेशनल. ही हैज़ बीन इनटू द कार्विंग ऑफ अ मेंसवेयर ब्रांड. स्टोरी तो बहुत बड़ी है. वी हैव गॉट गुड theoretical understanding as well as practical evolve approach from him, which we are going to hear from him. And I am proud to wear one of his waistcoat today with a fantastic logo out here, if you may see. So this is all about House of United, and I present you today Mr. Ishpreet Singh from House of United, who has to tell a story about कैसे इन्होंने एक मोबाइल रिटेल का कॉन्सेप्ट, ही इज द फर्स्ट वन टू डू इट as far as I know, and understand how creatively he has done that. So Ishpreet ji, I welcome you today at the show. How are you?
Thank you so much जी. I'm good. Thank you जी.
तो मतलब कई सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं, तो हम अगर आइडली कहीं से शुरू करते हैं वो ये है कि ये हाउस ऑफ यूनाइटेड, एक तो ये नाम, दूसरा कैसे ये, हाउ डिड इट टेक्स इट्स बर्थ, मतलब कैसे कैसे शुरू किया आपने?
So actually a journey 20 years पहले start हुई थी.
ओह,
Yeah, that is when I started getting into manufacturing of menswear,
अच्छा अच्छा.
and that was my first phase of life.
Okay.
When I was 20 back then.
So it was pretty young.
Yes, and I mean I really wanted to be the youngest entrepreneur, right? But it took me next like 20 years to get what I'm doing now.
True, true,
Yeah.
true.
So उसी time से I was given an option by my father कि क्या आपको retail या manufacturing में जाना है, right? Or you want to get into real estate?
So initially manufacturing था?
नहीं था.
अच्छा,
नहीं.
okay, okay.
Manufacturing was never there.
Uncle was into
He was into, I mean, he was trading in
Okay.
with the menswear, and he was into real estate.
okay.
So, I mean, as a young lad, I mean, you get an opportunity ki, oh yeah, clothing seems interesting. So,
And
chalo.
at that time, 20 years back, it was a different universe.
Yes.
Yes.
It was very challenging back
Yes.
then and back.
So then how कैसे किया formation, क्या किया? ये आपका बहुत इमोशनल पार्ट ऑफ द स्टोरी होगा.
Yeah.
सो मेंसवेयर में आए आप, फिर फॉर्मल सेगमेंट केटर किया,
Yeah.
एंड ग्रेजुअली विल मूव अहेड. सो क्या, व्हाट मेड यू डू दिस?
So my dad was trading in these garments. He was buying from one of the manufacturer, and we were
Okay.
selling in our own office in Dubai. Back in, you could say, 2004, 2005, when I mean, just started my college life, and then I mean, he gave me an option like, where do you see yourself after 20 years? And then I said, okay, I mean, this is a good opportunity to be into apparels. And no one wanted to get into real estate back then.
Correct.
But yes, real estate was always my hobby.
all booming at that time.
Yes, yes, yes. And it was my hobby.
It was your hobby.
Yeah.
Okay.
But then, I mean, I chose because this was a continuing business for him, right? And the base was already there in Dubai. So then, I mean, I started, okay, fine, let's jump into manufacturing.
Okay.
Yeah.
So initially the conceptualization had some positioning in Dubai,
Yes.
and you took an initiative to get it down India and make it broader and bigger out.
Yeah, we wanted to scale up. And since he was only buying in from different factories, so we thought that, yes, I mean, we should manufacture. And once we manufacture, we have more opportunities to scale up the business.
So क्या category से शुरू किया था हमने?
I mean, only blazers and pants.
Okay.
You could say, I mean, suits. That's it.
Suits.
Nothing else. We knew nothing else back then.
So but understandingly, menswear is a category what I feel is very, very niche at a point,
Yes.
because men's are loyal. Men,
Correct.
I
Correct.
take
Correct.
proud on that.
Correct.
Men are loyal. Okay? Now, whenever they are into an ideology of buying a product or getting
Yeah.
into a product understanding, they say कि भाई मैं एक ही ब्रांड को पहनूंगा. तो आपके पास भी ये चैलेंज हुआ होगा या
Of course.
इसको आप अपने एट द बैकग्राउंड में, सो क्या, व्हाट मेड यू टुक दिस स्टेप कि भाई मैं ब्लेजर ही बनाऊंगा?
So we were into, we were selling suits
You're
and
already
blazers,
selling.
right? We were only manufacturing there, and we were selling suits and blazers. So we had the only one product to manufacture.
So the prodigy was taken off.
Yes,
The prodigy
yes,
was taken.
yes, yes, yes.
Wonderful.
We never entered into a different category
Okay.
in men's. So it was always the suits business, which we are in.
एक बड़ी अच्छी चीज है. Now you're into a suit business. Now you have shirts.
Yes.
Now you have trousers.
Yes.
Now you have lot many men's categories. You are taking yourself into multi-brand outlets.
Yes.
ठीक है.
Market is demanding.
Market, yes,
Yes.
that is the demand. So multi-brand outlet has its own challenges. मैं सीधा
Oh, yeah.
challenges पे आता हूँ. एक तो आपने प्रोडक्ट बना दिया.
Correct.
Now उसको सीधा मल्टी ब्रांड आउटलेट पे लाना या मल्टी ब्रांड आउटलेट के चैलेंज को एक्सेप्ट करना.
Right.
What do you think is the biggest challenge of a multi brand outlet?
I mean, keeping so many SKUs at the same time, and when something is out of stock, you have to replenish it. By the time you replenish it, उस टाइम में आपको लगता है ओ कस्टमर तो है नहीं. तो supply chain plays a big role, and by the time, I mean, you are learning, and by the time you're supplying in 3 to 4 months, and you see that it's a discount end of season time, and then you
And
have
the
to
market changes.
Market changes. You have to take back all the goods, and then you have to get ready for the next season.
Correct.
So it's a very, very big challenge.
It's a very dynamic market.
Yes.
Dynamic market.
I mean, even though it's men's, I mean, they require fashion, they require,
They require.
I mean, basic white shirts, pants. So sometimes there is a challenge of supply chain, or sometimes you have to meet the expectation of the customer by giving fashion.
I was talking to somebody the other
Yeah.
day. So this gentleman said कि लोग ना generally बहुत जल्दी men जो होते हैं वो एक ही शादी में या कई शादियों में एक ही जैकेट पहने रहते हैं. So come across something like that. मतलब वो they don't wear too many. They are not regular buyers. So do you see this as a challenge, as an opportunity?
No, I mean, opportunity when we have to cater to multiple customers, right, with the same product.
Correct.
That's an opportunity. But yes, there is a challenge because you will not repeat it, right? So they're both ways.
They're both ways.
Yeah.
It's how you see it.
Yes.
True.
I mean, I always see it as an opportunity because why do I have to tap in to you for the same thing? Why the whole, no, I mean, the India is available for it, right?
correct.
1.4 billion, at least cater 1%.
Wonderful.
Yeah, I mean, you should be available, right, to northeast, to northwest, multiple zones.
True.
Not only stick to where you are and when, I mean, NCR or other regions.
एक इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ जो मैं अपने आपके इंट्रोडक्शन में भी बोल रहा था, दिस इज ऑल अबाउट दैट रिटेल, मोबाइल रिटेल. Mobile is moving, retail is not moving.
Yes.
So how did this concept come down to you? Because I have not heard anybody doing this so far. पहले तो ये दो चीज़ें हैं, इसके दो क्वेश्चंस हैं मेरे. इट्स द मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट ऑफ द एंटायर पॉडकास्ट माय फ्रेंड्स. मोबाइल रिटेल आपके दिमाग में कैसे आया, पहला चीज़. दूसरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि आपको कैसे लगता है कि ये बहुत सक्सेसफुल अपॉर्चुनिटी है.
So
पहला वाला लेते
actually, yeah. So actually, चीज़ें ना हर चीज़ कस्टमर के पेन पॉइंट से आता है. अगर किसी कस्टमर का एक या MBO का एक तकलीफ है, राइट, सो हु इज़ सॉल्विंग दैट. तो अगर आई मीन आई मेट फ्यू फ्रेंचाइज एंड आई मेट फ्यू MBOs कि वी वांटेड टू बाय बट वी कैन नॉट कम टू योर ऑफिस. सो वी वर गिविंग अ थॉट कि हम क्यों नहीं उनके पास चले जाते हैं, राइट. आई मीन एक शोरूम ही तो है. Let's convert a bus into a store and let's reach to 1,000 customers, 1,000 MBOs. So that give us, I mean, a different edge. कि हम लोग उनके पास जाते हैं and then definitely because whenever anyone used to come to us, they were like, wow, we want to buy. Or, I mean, we were having 80 to 90% conversions. But the problem we were facing is like, for them to come to us was a bigger challenge.
Every time it is not virtually possible for them.
It is not possible. It's menswear. You have to feel the fabric, look at the color, right? You can't just take 4 samples and some swatch cards and expect them to write an order. No, it doesn't really work out like that. And in menswear, it's actually very simple and very classic, but only when it reaches to the MBO.
Let me tell you, my friends, this is a mobile bus which is full of stocks, full of samples. You can try it. You can look through it, and then you can actually order your products. This is for the retail fraternity, MBOs, multi-brand के लिए. अब ये बस कब चलता है वैसे? कहाँ जाता है? कैसे करते हैं? How does it function?
So just before the season, right? There is a big round we take, right? We meet all the franchisee, all the MBOs. I mean, we show them the same products, right? Which they have seen in our trade show, and then they just write an order.
Okay.
And when they write an order, I mean, we get an information within few minutes because everything is online. Everything.
Okay, now everything is connected.
Yes. Yes.
So
So
you
they
are
write.
more of those what do you call जो मतलब घर पे delivery करते हैं. I won't take specific names. So you are now reaching. Retail is reaching. you.
Yes.
हम आपके घर तक आ रहे हैं.
Correct.
Fantastic.
So मतलब they have to just step out their store, right? Look at a stock, look at a new SKUs, right? Write an order. Within 24 hours, we expect that we should be ready to deliver them.
Absolutely, because
And that's the biggest gap.
Yes,
If you see, I mean, a lot of people say that, I mean, we want the franchisee or the MBOs to focus only into the sales. Not
I'll
for-
reach you. I'll reach you. That's the
Yeah,
theory.
exactly.
I'll
I mean,
reach you.
HOU, House of United will reach you wherever you are, wherever, whatever it takes.
That's what I am telling. House of United would reach. Wonderful. So now coming down to the business diversification, if we may say, this is one MBO which we are already doing.
Yes.
You are doing fantastic franchisee business.
Yes.
That's what
Thank
I
you.
have come to know. And how many franchises are we right now with?
I mean, 22,
22.
Yes.
And in what span of time is this?
less than 18 months.
Less than 18 months.
Yes.
So that is very quick.
Yeah.
Interestingly, the conversion part is very quick. Next is the trust part.
Yes.
So आपको क्या लगता है व्हाट इज द बिकॉज ये क्वेश्चन बहुत ज़रूरी है
Yeah.
वो इस टॉपिक पे इस थ्योरी पे कि फ्रेंचाइजी एक विश्वास है
Yeah.
इट्स अ ट्रस्ट
Agreed.
सो व्हाई वुड पीपल ट्रस्ट हाउस ऑफ यूनाइटेड एंड बिकम अ पार्टनर टू इट व्हाट्स द मोस्ट बिगेस्ट यूएसपी ऑफ दैट
So one is the, of course, vintage of the company, right? I mean, it's been over 20 years now.
of course
Then, I mean, of course, our manufacturing background. We have about 3,000 people working with us. So they see, you know, I mean, do they have a manufacturing background? Do they have a factory? Or they just open up an office and they buy in goods after when franchisees pays them. So that gives them a trust of investing money into us. And then the second point comes, are they going to get a return out of it?
दैट्स द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट
Yeah. And then we secure them with certain return percentage.
Okay.
Where, I mean, that money is refundable money.
बेसिकली कई सारे थ्योरीज पे अगर हम इफ यू सी दैट लॉट मेनी फ्रेंचाइजीज आर could be your competitors, they are your arch rivals.
Yeah.
So they're now these contemporaries are basically existing at the same time.
Yeah.
So what is the fine line of opportunity? What is your presentation very simple, or is it complicated for the franchisee to understand? How do you take up this?
Our model is very clear, very
Model,
simple. Yeah. I mean, they invest a certain amount as per their pocket. We do not bound them to invest heavy. Because
Fantastic.
we want more franchisee to experience it. And if I make it very expensive, right, only limited will experience it. And we are new in the market.
True.
So we wanted whatever allows you, like if you want to open up a franchise store. So you said, hey, listen, I mean, I have X budget. So we're like, okay, fine. Based on your budget, we will provide you the goods.
And the show is run by you. You run the operations as a company.
Yes.
That's the best part. That's the best. So a franchisee is just an investor.
Totally.
And the best part is a person who is not from this retail fraternity.
Right.
Can they become your franchisee?
Of course. I mean, we just want, them to invest and that's it. Rest, we take care of everything. We manage, we market, we do everything about his store.
Okay.
Yeah.
So they are basically getting a good, handsome
Yes. Return.
return on their investment.
Totally agree.
This is the franchisee model that you are catering to.
Yes.
ठीक है. Do you feel that developing franchisee or developing this franchisee business has its own challenges?
Initially, yes. I mean, even now, I mean, when we have to scale up to, we cannot stop at 22. We have to take it 50, right? And then we have to take it 100. We have to take it to 300. So, yes, I mean, just to make them understand that your money is secure, you will get a good return, right? I mean, for them to trust becomes a little difficult at times. But
That is there.
we've been very kind. I mean, we got this opportunity in just few months. I mean, to get 22. And
22 is a
yeah.
very, very good count in a span of 1.5 years.
Yes.
So in 5 years, what is your plan?
Minimum 1,000.
1,000.
100% you're going to see us there. You will
Wonderful.
see us there.
No, I can see that already.
Yeah.
22 is approximately you're opening 1.1
Yeah.
store a month, if I'm not wrong.
I mean,
right?
just last month we closed 3.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now the ratio has
Increased.
expedited.
Average 2 we are opening
Average
up.
2 year open.
Yes.
Okay. So this is all across the nation. How do you take
I
up
mean,
the northern part first?
northern
or-
part right now.
Northern part.
Yes.
Okay. Coming down to the nation.
Yeah.
So we are more of into the suit and blazer part. So
And shirts.
and shirts also.
Yes.
How do you see that you take yourself towards your opportunity is big.
Yeah.
You're into mobile retail.
Yes.
You're into franchisee business. You're
Yes.
into multi-brand outlets.
Yes.
What is that takes you? When do you see yourself going down south?
Give us a year more to get us there. Let us first get the pulse and every opportunity possible in the north before we scale up to south.
So now, I guess you are more of into the offline market right now. So
Yes.
how do you see that? Yes, online is a part of you or not? Are you into online, or what is your plan for online?
Not until now, but yes, maybe in a month or two, we will be online.
You'll be online. So online major platforms you're catering to?
Only our own website.
Own
No
website.
marketplace.
No marketplaces. So online and offline are
Yeah.
different two verticals.
Totally.
Do you see them as as an opportunity or as a challenge?
It's an opportunity.
As an opportunity.
Definitely, it's an opportunity.
Any inputs from that?
I mean, you're available to 1.4 billion people, which you
But then
cannot
again-
be in offline.
I understand.
I mean, I would open 22 stores, which would give me like a footfall of 200,000, right? But when I'm available online and when I market myself, I'm available to maybe 10 million in a span of 6 months.
True. But online would, just asking you, because you would be the right person to say this.
Yeah.
If I am trying out a waistcoat, this
Yeah.
is a very comfortable and I'm looking damn good out of. So
Thank you. The
this
color looks
waist-
good on you.
This is, thank you so much. So now this, if I go to, I have a size problem, say.
Yeah, right.
So every brand has their own particular
Right,
size
right,
fragmentation. So now I am wearing this.
Yeah.
In online,
Yeah.
won't there be a size challenge? How would, because देखिए टी-शर्ट है निकल जाता है,
सही बात है।
शर्ट है निकल जाता है, डेनिम में क्या है ऊपर नीचे करके लोग खींचातानी करके पहन
मैनेज कर
लेते
लेते हैं।
हैं। सूट का क्या करते हैं?
Yeah, rightly said. I mean, it's a challenge, but what we provide in our suits, I mean, stretchability, expandability.
Okay. That's the USP
Yeah.
of your suit that you're
Yes.
talking. Yes, if you have a different body,
Correct.
it will fit you in.
Yes.
That's what you're saying.
Yes. I mean, all our pants are expandable waist. So if
Okay.
you're like, I mean, wearing a size 40, so you require a size 34 pants. But if you're like 30, 36, right, you would get in there. So there could be like least alterations.
How do you think that this is actually, if there is an alteration or there is in a market, you're
Yeah.
not into a marketplace. So if you see that yes, there is a challenge of size.
Yeah.
So anything that you have thought of really that how you can cater out. So you'll replace it or something like that. What the generic
Yeah,
tendency of
I mean, if there's a alteration that cannot be done, of course, we'll replace it.
We'll replace
Yeah.
एक तो रिटेल में आपने बहुत कुछ कर लिया. So I want to understand what is something new that you're doing, some value addition you're doing to retail.
You really wanted to know?
Yeah, I would,
and
I
you
would.
should. I mean, you want us to tell the people now?
Yes, you should. You
Yeah?
should, because something new which is coming, I would request you.
Okay. So, I mean, just few months back, we were sitting with the team and we could understand some more challenges customers are facing in terms of getting the right thing and getting it available.
Okay.
So, you know how things are changing in terms of fabrics and requirements of menswear, comfort. So, we have launched In Motion.
In motion.
Yes.
Okay.
So in motion products lets you breathe, lets you go flexible wherever, however you wish to.
Okay.
Yes. So we have created a module which will be available, right, in next 1 year to 500 doors.
Oh, wow.
Yes. With only selected SKUs. So the idea is whatever the company or the brand with their top products, right, those products should be available in maximized doors.
Excellent. Excellent. So this concept is altogether a new concept?
Yes. It's an in motion module which we plan to come up with in next quarter.
Fantastic. So before this festive or winters,
Yeah.
you will have 2026 autumn winter.
Yes.
से पहले,
yes. उसके पहले आपको दिख जाएगा.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
So you'll be promoting it throughout any marketing campaign besides that, some
Social media.
social
Yes,
media
you could say.
social media promotions. अब हम आ जाते हैं, ये तो आपने conceptualization कर दिया. Now we come down to the manufacturing part. So I have heard that there is something big billion project.
Yeah.
So this is again, you are always with full of new ideas. This bus one is excellent. Now this, what is this big billion project? क्या है ये?
तो हमें लगा कि अगर इतनी स्टोर्स की प्लानिंग करनी
हाँ,
है,
हाँ, हाँ,
राइट,
exactly.
तो ऑफ कोर्स मैन्युफैक्चरिंग हैज टू स्केल अप. I mean, the brand or the company, we do not believe in outsourcing. So 100% we in-house the products, 100%, whether it's any category as of now.
So what is this? Is one of the biggest one? कितना बड़ा है, क्या है? How
The
is
new
it?
manufacturing that we're coming up,
Yes, yes, yes.
it is going to be Asia's largest suit factory.
Asia's largest suit factory.
Yes.
Oh, wonderful. So how big is it?
So at the moment, currently, I mean, if I have to talk about people working
Yeah,
with us,
yeah.
about 2,000 people working with us at the moment. And when we step into the new project, the new manufacturing facility, we would have minimum 6,000 people working with us.
Fantastic. So many job opportunities. So that's the right way to say it is make in India.
Right.
Wonderful, in fact.
Yeah.
So now understanding this as a, मतलब 6,000 लोगों की नौकरियां
Yeah.
यहाँ पर अवेलेबल होना भी बहुत बड़ी बात है.
Yeah.
And that's how it's a salute to you. We must appreciate this. So this is
And
all.
with this, we have to add up what we are producing now.
Okay.
I added the wrong way. It's a employees we have. We have to see ki how many, what is your current capacity,
So okay.
right? And where you are scaling up to.
ठीक.
That is more important for anyone.
सर एक इम्पॉर्टेंट सवाल था मेरा.
Please.
पीपल से दैट लोकेशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. हाउ व्हाट इज योर टेक? आपके लिए लोकेशन कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है?
सर कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है. जहाँ पर आप चाहो, राइट, वहीं से स्टोर स्टार्ट हो जाता है, वहीं पे मार्केटिंग हो जाती है, वहीं कस्टमर आ जाता है.
जैसे मतलब दिस इज मतलब
So-
आप यू आर गोइंग अगेंस्ट द वेव्स.
Yeah.
सो हाउ डू यू से दैट? मतलब कुछ एक्सपीरियंस है, कुछ ऐसा है?
सो एक हमारा खुद का स्टोर है.
अच्छा.
और इट वाज, आई वुड नॉट से इट्स अ स्टोर व्हेन इट स्टार्टेड.
अच्छा.
And we started in an industrial area, and the
अच्छा,
objective,
मतलब ये सेटअप ही इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया में?
yeah,
अच्छा.
factory area. Imagine, I mean, सारी factories हैं आसपास, और वहाँ पर हम लोगों ने about 8 to 10 years back एक स्टोर खोल दिया. अब आप कह सकते हो तो वो स्टोर है, पहले वो स्टोर नहीं
दिखता है,
था.
स्टोर दिखता है?
नहीं, किसी को दिखता नहीं है वो स्टोर, किसी को दिखता नहीं है. वो एक्चुअली एक बेसमेंट में एक स्पेस था, तो हमने उसमें फिर गुड्स को सेल करना स्टार्ट कर दिया.
ओके.
Right, few years later, right, I mean, it had come out to a retail store. Initially no, now yes.
ओह वाओ.
Yeah,
हाउ बिग इज दिस?
about 3,000 square feet.
And what sales are you making out of it? Approximately?
One of the best,
Best stores.
numbers, yeah, you could say.
Fantastic.
People would come all the way from Gurgaon to Noida to buy in suits and blazers, and we have the best sales in November. Imagine, I mean, now you're saying कि सर लोकेशन मैटर करता है. मैंने कहा नहीं मैटर करता सर. I've seen a difference.
मतलब लोकेशन आप खुद बना सकते हो. वेरी
Of course
गुड.
आप बना सकते हो सर. I mean,
क्या बात है. सो वंडरफुल, दिस इज एक्सीलेंट. नाउ अब हम अपने रैपिड फायर राउंड में जाएंगे. सो दिस यू हैव टू, आपको अपने सीट बेल्ट्स, यू हैव टू जस्ट fasten your seat belts. So are you ready to go ahead with this rapid fire round? So you have got quick seconds to answer this.
okay.
So here we go. What's more difficult, finding the perfect fit for customers or convincing men that one black shirt is not enough?
Perfect fit.
Perfect.
Always,
fit.
yes.
Wonderful. If you had to dress one Bollywood celebrity for a board meeting and one for a wedding using the same blazer, who would you pick and why?
Classic black blazer with stretch.
That's the best one, right?
Yes.
If suits could talk, what would they complain about the most?
Why do you stick us to a certain occasion?
Oh.
Why only weddings and why only office? Why not every day?
Excellent. What's the one fashion mistake men make that secretly hurts your soul every day?
Different combinations they wear. I don't appreciate that.
So you're
इसके साथ ये पहन लिया, इसके साथ ये पहन लिया.
thorough gentleman you are. If office dress codes disappear tomorrow, what fashion disaster would we see first?
मुझे तो लग रहा है next thing would be boxers. People like कि अब पजामाज हो गए हैं, right? अब बस ऐसे ही चलो ऑफिस.
Awesome. Which is more dangerous, a bad tie choice or a wrong shirt in combination?
Wrong shirt.
What's the one corporate fashion trend you wish never existed?
A skinny tie. Yeah,
That's really that doesn't go with lot many things.
it doesn't go.
What's one thing men pretend to understand about fashion but absolutely don't?
I would not.
No worries. What's the funniest excuse a customer has ever given for needing a last minute suit?
A wedding.
His own
It's my wedding, yeah. आज मेरी शादी है और ओ मेरे
मुझे
पास
जल्दी सूट दे
सूट
दीजिए।
ही नहीं है.
Fantastic. In today's world, do you think people are judged more by their skills or by the way they present themselves first?
By the way they look,
By
the
the way
personality,
they-
yes.
That's very important. So here we are good, and we've done really well with the rapid fire round.
Thank you.
So interestingly ना, रैपिड फायर राउंड में इतने रैपिड कोई नहीं होते, तो इसी से मैं कुछ मेरे पास आपके बारे में आपकी टीम से एक बात पता चली है. सो दिस इज आवर लास्ट सेगमेंट. सो
Yeah.
वी से कि इसमें हमारा इसका नाम है लोग कहते हैं. तो
Right.
आपके पीछे लोग कुछ कहते हैं, सो मैं वो आपको अब बताना चाहता हूँ. तो पीपल हैव बीन सेइंग दैट आप बहुत जल्दी में रहते हैं. सो ये
Okay.
सच है? पहले तो ये सच है. इज दैट सो?
Yeah, my wife says that.
दैट्स गुड. बट ये
Why
जल्दी
are
में
you in
रहने
a
की-
hurry?
हाँ,
I
why
mean,
are you in a hurry?
I was like, जो चीज़ करनी है उसको करके ख़त्म करो. Right? Why do you have to take it to, I mean, next 2 years or 3 years?
मतलब वो जो कल करे सो आज कर,
अभी.
अभी कर लो
Now.
उसको. Fantastic.
Yeah.
This is good. मतलब you have to be with the time. You have to
Yes.
be with the space.
Yes.
Fantastic, Ishpi ji. It was wonderful having
Thank
you here.
you, ji.
But before tell you or ask your leave, here is something what I want to present to you.
Wow.
So this is my book, The Better in You. So this is a sweet, lovely, small gift
Thank
from
you.
my.
Thank you so much. Take care.
So do read it. It's a.
Of course.
It has taken me good 3 years to pen down.
Wow.
So this is what is I have crafted and it's available in Amazon everywhere. So my friends, एक बहुत important चीज़ है. ये वेस्ट कोट जो मैंने पहना है, मैं बार बार इसकी तारीफ इसलिए कह रहा हूँ, ये मेरे को देने का मतलब इट हैज़ बीन गिफ्टेड टू मी. एनीवेज, द बेस्ट पार्ट इज दिस इज़ अवेलेबल टू यू फ्रॉम जुलाई एंड. आई गेस जो इनका रोड शो होगा वहाँ पर आपको सारी डिटेल्स, कॉर्पोरेट के डिटेल्स, फ्रेंचाइजी के डिटेल्स, मल्टी ब्रांड आउटलेट के डिटेल्स, सारी चीज़ें आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएंगी. जस्ट हंट इट आउट, बी देयर एंड बी अ पार्ट ऑफ हाउस ऑफ यूनाइटेड. Make money, make profit, become a franchisee to this company and win all the hearts for your own self. Thank you so much.